Hello viewers, hope you are well. So today's video I'm going to show you that top 5 survey sites, which is very easy of tasks. By doing this you can earn money from online. Also you can earn some dollar or maybe some cryptocurrencies. Okay, that's sites are top paid sites, and I have practical work experience on this site. That's why I'm going to show you so that you can earn some money from online easily or from home. Okay, so before start I'm gonna say, if you are watching my video first time, you can subscribe my channel, to also press the bell icon to get latest videos. So you will get a bonus as a Shocks 5 IP at the end of this video. So stay with this video. I'm going to showing you some top 5 sites. Okay, so first up I wanna say this site, which is dollar clicks. Look at this address. Dollar clicks are most trustable website, site, which is paying lots of money by from this service. Look at this. I always prefer you, if you want to do survey task, then you must review their payout options, which is very important for everyone, I think. So some sites paying some gift card like this, Amazon gift card, Walmart, also many iTunes, lots of gift cards available on some of sites. Some of sites also have PayPal option, Visa card. Look at this dollar click site is most trustable. You can use Trustpilot to see their trustworthy, that how much they are trustful. So I will recommend you this site dollar clicks, which can use you can make some money. Okay, so this is most trustable site. And next site is Swagbuck. Look at this. This is so much easier site to do survey. So here is the paying option, that Walmart gift card, Amazon gift card, also PayPal available. So you can easily use this site. By you can earn some money by this site by doing survey. Okay, so look at this, how much they paid till now for a survey, huge amount. Okay, so this is my second choice, Swagbucks. So, and now I'm going to showing you the sites paying mostly cryptocurrencies, which is free cash. Free cash, one of the my best survey sites. Also here is some other features by doing some mobile tasks. Look at this, their paying option, and see, look their Trustpilot review, 22,994, and they are paying this by this method: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, PayPal, Amazon, Steam, Apple, and Google Play. Also they have others some payment options, which is when you can sign up or you can make money. Their minimum withdraw is $2. Okay, so it's very easy to make $2 within an hours or maybe 2 hours by doing survey. Okay, also have some mobile features that you can easily make $10 to $20 per day by doing this task. Okay, my fourth website is Payable. Payable is one of my best survey sites, who is paying high payment for every single survey. Okay, maximum surveys are paying $1, and some of survey pays 50 to 80 cents per survey, which is very easy. Okay, within 5 to 10 minutes you can complete a survey. That's very easy way. Just you have to log in by your Google account or Facebook account. Also, if you have Apple account, then you can use this. So this is a web version. Remember this thing. If you use PC, then you have to go to this web address. Otherwise, you have to use a phone application. Look at their option: Apple Store, App Store, and Google Play. Which is prefer, you can use this anyone. As I use PC, so I always use Google Mail. Okay, so my final and 5 server side is Coin2Play. Coin2Play is most payable sites. That task is very easy. It's quite longer to complete a survey, but the payment very quickly. Look at this. Already they spend this amount, and their minimum payout is $3. So that could be take 2 hours to 3 hours. So within 3 hours you can make $3. That's very easy. Okay. Also there is no limitation. You can make money by doing 8 to 10 hours per day from this site. This is very easy. So viewers, I've already showed my top 5 websites. Also one bonus for you, that is I'm going to giving you an IP. Okay, so where is this? Yes, this 2 IP is now ready. This one is most important. Okay, so note that you can use this IP and create the account of the sites, and you can earn money for 24 hours. Okay, so one more sites are available. I forget it, sorry about that. Is Survey Junkie. Earn that me money by completing surveys. Look at this, they added some new payment options, that is gift card, Amazon gift card. That's all is available, but this 2 is now new add. Okay, newly added that these 2 features. So this website is most trustable and most payable and most likable website ever, I think so, in this world. Survey Junkie. That is so easy to complete a task. Look at this. Take task, build your profile, and rewards, complete survey, and virtual points. Okay, they paid actually virtual points, and then you have to convert it, redeem virtual points for PayPal or gift card. Okay, so here is 100 point means $1. So no more today. Talk to you later with another videos. If you love my videos, please subscribe my channel. Also hit the like button.